5 and 6, Miss Stewart here. Today in English you're going to create your plan for your script. So you will need a clear beginning, middle and end that link. How you do your plan is completely up to you, but make sure you've got a clear guide that you can then use on Thursday to write your script. I'm going to have a go at writing my plan. So for my plan, I've decided to keep my script similar to the Grimm Brothers stories that we've been focusing on for the last few weeks. So I'm going to have my beginning, my middle, and my end. And I want all three, for my beginning, middle and end, to link. So inspired by the Grimm Brothers, I'm going to start my story with two identical brothers, and they are exactly the same in every way, apart from one of the brothers is filled with hatred for his twin brother, and the other brother doesn't know this. And on the surface, everything seems to be fine, but the bitterness and hatred build up inside one of the brothers. So in the middle of my story, I'm going to have the brothers adventuring into a forest or a wood, because that often happens in the Grimm Brothers stories. And he's going to plot to kill his brother, his identical twin. But obviously the other brother doesn't know this. And I think I'm going to have him plotting to kill him with an arrow. So I've decided the brothers are going to be going into the forest to look for animals to kill to eat. And one of the brothers is going to fire the arrow at his identical twin. And so the brother thinks he's killed his twin, and that's going to be the middle. So that's my juicy bit there. So my beginning was that there are two identical brothers. One of the brothers is filled with hatred for his twin brother. And as readers, we don't know why, because they're exactly the same, they're treated the same, they look the same. And in the middle, they go into the forest or the woods. They're going hunting for food for their family. And one of the brothers is so overcome with evil thoughts, he decides to use one of the arrows and kills his twin brother. Then the boy returns home. This is my ending, by the way, year 5 and 6. He returns home and he finds that other brother is sitting. He's sitting at the kitchen table. I think kitchen tables and kitchens often feature in the Grimm Brothers stories as well. So finds the other brother sitting at the kitchen table, and the brother who had the arrow fired into him has told their parents, so the parents know the truth, and because they know the truth, they're so ashamed of one of their sons, the one that tried to kill the other one, that they send him away forever. So the son that sent away forever leads a horrible, miserable life, and the son that was tried to be killed by his twin brother lives happily ever after with his parents. And there's my plan. So I've got my clear beginning, my clear middle, my clear end, and then tomorrow, year 5 and 6, we're going to turn it into a script. Take care, speak to you soon, bye.